One morning you woke up, and just when you wanted to get up to make coffee, you noticed that you have been captured by aliens. There are 6 people around you who have also been captured last night, and neither of you knows what is going to happen next. Just like you, the aliens haven't had any breakfast yet, and they are very hungry. They think that you will be a delicious snack for the long way home. However, they want to give you a last chance to prove yourself as an equally advanced species, in which case they will not eat you, but bring you back into your bed immediately. The following game will be played. All 7 of you will be randomly arranged in a circle, and you will each have a hat placed on your head by the aliens. One day during their travelings, the aliens spotted a rainbow on the Earth, and they were so impressed that they bought a huge supply of hats in all colors of a rainbow. And now each of your hats will be one of these colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo or violet. There are enough hats that it is possible for each of you to be wearing a same color hat. And it is also possible for each of you to be wearing a different color hat. Each of you can see the hats of the other 6 prisoners in the circle, but you cannot see your own hat. Now the aliens give a slip of paper to each one of you, and you have to write down your guess of your own hat color. When all of you finished, the aliens will look at each slip of paper, and if at least one of you has guessed the correct color, you will all be set free. If none of you have written down the color of your own hat, you will be the food for the road, and if you try to communicate in any way during the game, that will be your fate immediately. The aliens want to be nice and allow you to get together for 15 more minutes to come up with a plan. What strategy can you come up with that will guarantee you to win the game and save your lives? Pause the video now to think about the riddle. The solution will follow in 3, 2, 1. It seems like these aliens really want to eat you. Last year I've already uploaded a video which was called The Most Difficult Riddle Ever, but now I have to honestly admit that it has almost been easy compared to the one you face here. Luckily, what you need to do is easy enough that you can tell it to all the prisoners and they will be able to follow the instructions. However, the reason why this works is actually deeply complicated. To be sure to win the game, all of you have to apply the following system. First, you number yourselves from 0 to 6. Then you will also number the colors from 0 to 6. For example, red is 0, orange is 1, yellow is 2, green is 3, blue 4, indigo 5 and violet is 6. When the game starts, you have to do this. Add up the number of each of the 6 hats you see and subtract this total from your own personal number. For example, if prisoner 5 sees 2 orange hats, 2 green hats and 2 blue hats, he will add up the value to 16 and subtract that from 5. This will leave him with the number 11. Now the prisoners will have to use modular arithmetic. He will add and subtract 7 repeatedly until the number falls into the wanted range between 0 and 6. In our example, prisoner 5 will add 7 to minus 11 again and again until he arrives at a number between 0 and 6. So he will add 7 twice and end up with number 3. As number 3 corresponds to the color green, his guess will be green. If each of you follows these steps, at least one of you will definitely guess the correct color. The reason why this works is based in modular arithmetic, which is highly complex, yet luckily for the prisoners, easy to apply. You can try this in any possible variation and you will notice that the prisoners will always win. That was the most difficult riddle ever. I hope you had fun and see you in the next video.